Hello, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Google in the command prompt CMD. You can use the start command followed by Google URL, and here is how you can do it. Open CMD, type here CMD. So the command prompt window will open. In the command prompt, type the following command and press enter. So this command will open your default web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. Please note that the start command opens the specified URL in your default web browser. If you have a different default browser set, it will open Google in that browser instead. Thank you for watching.